iPhone XR, came from another shop. He did try to replace the screen, and the phone doesn't want to power on. When I connect it to the computer, the phone is stuck at DFU mode. So I try to do the reset or do the update with everything connected. The phone can't go to the recovery mode to take the software. So I disconnect the screen, I disconnect all the flex cables here and here, even the SIM card and all that, everything disconnected except the battery and the charging port, these two connectors here. I plug it to the computer and the phone is taking the software. So at the first, the phone won't where it's stuck. Let me see here. It's stuck at this option here, enter recovery mode. Then it stopped, but now it's a little bit better. It's go to the next settings, but we still have 18% here. We give it a minute and see if it's gonna go to the next. Yeah, the shirt is gone. So this cracked capacitor, that's what was causing the shirt. So it looked like the repair shop, when they were trying to replace the screen, by accident they damaged this capacitor. So that's why the phone stuck at the DFU mode and won't take the software.